just sit back and relax. Get yourself a cup of tea and enjoy the video, featuring the Masterforce Carpenters folding knife.
Hello, today I thought I'd be talking about my Masterforce Carpenters knife. We'll see how it takes a spark off my fire starter. Did alright. Alright, let's see how it does cutting some kindling. It's doing pretty good. See how it does feather sticking? Say that does pretty good too. Alright, I got some paracord. Let's see how it does on the straight edge. Did pretty good. Now let's try on the striations. That did really good. Here's a better look at the Masterforce Carpenter's knife. There's the centering of the blade. That's a lock button. Without pressing it in, you can't open the blade at all. Just gotta press that in. Could be a little challenging to press that in and to open it. There's the lock up on the blade. The hastration, straight edge, tanto, dual thumb studs, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and leave your comments if you'd like. Subscribe to this channel and share this video. And thank you. May God bless you.